How to turn on two-step verification on Roblox. Hey there Roblox players, time to boost your account security with two-step verification. This video shows you how to enable it on your PC in under a minute. Two-step verification adds an extra layer of security by requiring a code besides your password when logging in. There are two ways of setting up two-step verification, either through email codes, receiving a unique code via email for each login attempt, or through an authenticator app, using a mobile app like Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator to generate codes. Click on your username in the top right corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Once you're in Settings, locate the section for Security. Click on Security, then find the option for two-step verification. Choose your preferred method, either email codes or Authenticator app. Follow any additional on-screen instructions to complete the setup process, as in the video. Two-step verification is a simple yet powerful way to keep your Roblox account extra secure. Secure logins every time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Roblox tips and tricks.